So my wife bought this fossil leather bag, just like us, old fossilite, at Goodwill, and it looks a little worn, especially here because this rub against the person's body. She paid $4.99 for it. So we're gonna try to clean it, see if I can clean it, and I'm gonna use the basic stuff. I'm gonna use the Turtle Wax, this foam and auto, so that should clean it up. And then I'm gonna top it off with a leather protectant serum from the chemical guys. Pretty good product, if you ask me. So I'm gonna spray a microfiber towel, try to get this out. Hopefully this is not discoloration and just normal dirt. Just, like I said, this goes against the body of the person, so if they walk, they rub their clothes against this, so we'll create that. Let's see if we can turn this fossil back to what it's worth, about $250, $300. Here we go. So the sprayer doesn't work. It's been sitting for too long. There you go. Little dots. Let's try this. Let's do in a circular motion. So after all the scrubbing, this is what the bag looks like. Still a little wet in certain areas, but I had to do a certain. Make sure you get the inside of the bag, all the edges, and clean that out. There you go. You give it that protection and that shine. And here's the final result. Look how beautiful that leather looks. Remember all the staining over here? I mean, it's incredible. It's a world of difference. So you gotta make sure you get every single inch of it, because you'll see there's going to be an area that's not matching. So get all the inside right here now. I gotta get some kind of coloring and be able to dye this. This is actually dried out paint, so it just changed the color of the material. But other than that, you just add a value to your $12.99 or $13.99 bag that you find at Goodwill, name brand bag, fossil, and bring it back to increase the value to maybe $100, $150. So if you do that, the leathers that you find, the bags that you find at Goodwill, check all the stitching again. Make sure there's no tears or rips. You'll find dirt and stains, things like that. Just do what I did, and you can turn your $13.99 and 1 hour of work doing this by hand into a good $150, $100 solid. So this is how you make some money on the side. Like, subscribe. I need subscribers, and like the videos. I can produce other videos about detailing leather and auto detailing. That's what I do.